Hi. So this is it. Welcome to the EvilTester office where we are editing Dear EvilTester at the moment. What I tend to do is I tend to print out the manuscript a few times and edit it there. So this is a early draft of Dear EvilTester. You can see all the marks I've made when I'm editing it. And when I'm going through the paper copy, I use my NASA space pen to edit that, make notes. The great thing about these space pens is no matter how much they're left open, they don't dry out. If I'm trying to edit it with my Sharpie, the Sharpie dries out between lines. I don't use that for editing. For editing with a Sharpie, I'll use the smaller, narrow one. But I like to use the space pen when I'm editing. Let's go inside to the book production system. Ooh. Alright. What I do is I edit everything as a text file in here because I use leanpub. Leanpub uses Markdown. I just use a text edit for that. Quite like Sublime because Sublime has got the spell check built in so that it can roughly spot errors that I'm doing. I still have to go through it to find them all. So from Markdown, then what I do is I store everything locally on my machine. Everything is stored in SVN because I've been using SVN for ages. And then I have a little batch job that exports everything from SVN and pushes it over to Dropbox, because Dropbox is what leanpub is using to pick up all my files. When Dropbox has synced, I go into leanpub, I click preview, and then I get a PDF which I can review. I go through the PDF on screen, see what's going on. That gives me an idea of what's happening, but I have to print it off in order to pick up errors. Now we're at the point now where we printed it off a few times. I've gone through it digitally a few times. I've sent it now off to get a proof copy from CreateSpace. So when that comes through the door from Amazon, what I'll see are more errors, because this is a more error process. And then when we go through this error removal, and the people that I've sent this out to review, they've given me errors back, so I try and fix those. So we're still in the middle of this whole editing nonsense that we have to go through. But soon you will have Dear EvilTester released to the world.